To build a channel history on YouTube, you need to consistently create and upload videos over time. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to build a channel history on YouTube. 1. Define your niche. Determine the focus of your channel. Choose a specific topic or theme that you're passionate about and that aligns with your skills and interests. This will help you attract and retain a specific audience. 2. Plan your content. Create a content strategy by brainstorming video ideas and planning out your upcoming uploads. Consider what type of videos you want to create, such as tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or educational content. Aim for a mix of evergreen content, videos that remain relevant over time, and timely content, videos related to current trends or events. 3. Set a consistent upload schedule. Consistency is key on YouTube. Decide on a realistic upload schedule that you can commit to. It could be once a week, twice a month, or any other frequency that works for you. Stick to this schedule to build anticipation among your subscribers and to train YouTube's algorithm to recognize your consistent activity. 4. Create high-quality videos. Invest in good equipment, such as a decent camera, microphone, and lighting, to produce high-quality videos. Ensure your videos have clear audio, good lighting, and a visually appealing presentation. Edit your videos to make them engaging and visually appealing using video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, iMovie, or DaVinci Resolve. 5. Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your video's discoverability. Conduct keyword research using tools like Google Trends or YouTube's own search bar to find popular and relevant keywords related to your content. This will help your videos rank higher in search results and attract organic traffic. 6. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments on your videos and encourage viewers to like, subscribe, and share your content. Foster a sense of community by actively engaging with your audience and building relationships with your subscribers. This will help you build a loyal following and increase your channel's visibility. 7. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to expand your reach and gain exposure to a wider audience. Look for opportunities to collaborate on videos, interviews, or guest appearances. Cross-promoting each other's channels can help both parties grow their subscriber base. 8. Promote your channel. Share your videos on other social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Reddit. Utilize relevant online communities, forums, and groups to share your content where it will be appreciated. Don't spam or self-promote excessively, but participate genuinely in discussions and offer value to the community. 9. Analyze and iterate. Use YouTube analytics to track your video performance, audience demographics, and engagement metrics. Pay attention to the videos that perform well and analyze why they succeeded. Adapt your content strategy based on the feedback you receive and the data you gather. 10. Stay committed and patient. Building a channel history takes time and effort. Consistently create and upload videos, engage with your audience, and refine your content strategy. Be patient and persistent, as growth may be gradual at first. Over time, as you continue to provide value and quality content, your channel will grow and develop a rich history. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel requires dedication, perseverance, and a genuine passion for creating content. Enjoy the process and keep learning and improving along the way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. See you next time.